Bookmarks is a new tool for IDE productivity in RAD Studio 10.3.1. It's an enhancement of the previous editor bookmark capability. Bookmarks lets you remember locations in your code and jump to them at any time. Press Ctrl-B to place a marker. Is given a number. Then press Ctrl plus the number, such as Ctrl1 or Ctrl2, to jump to it. Bookmarks are shown in a dockable window. They show syntax-highlighted code for the location of the marker. And for Delphi, other useful information about the marker's location, such as the name of the method it's in. You can have any number of bookmarks. And they can also be listed for all open files. You can also use caret bookmarks. These are a stack or trail. Drop them even in multiple files. And press Escape to go backwards and pick them up. Or you can drop one and press Shift Escape to toggle between two different locations. Bookmarks has a number of other features. One I particularly like is that it helps prevent you accidentally overwriting existing bookmarks. Here, bookmark 6 already exists, and at the cursor I'm going to press Ctrl-Shift-6, which would normally create a specific bookmark, number 6. You can see instead that the existing bookmark is highlighted. However, if I double tap Ctrl-Shift-6 within a very short period of time, the bookmark is moved. Bookmarks is also extremely configurable. Bookmarks is a great tool for keyboard-driven navigation and productivity in the RAD Studio IDE.